Welcome back to Baking Dankums. Today I will be making chocolate chip cookies, but thick ones, like brownies. Some call them brookies. I don't care for the name, but they're thick chocolate chip cookies. Alright, let's get it. Alright, we're going to start by greasing 13 by 9 by 2 inch baking pan with anything, butter if you want. I like using this baking pan. It smells fire as fuck. Alright, let's get it. Ordinarily I use butter, but just because I like how this smells, also makes me cough. I like how it smells, and it still works, so I like to use that. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the melted butter in here. Put this off to the side. Melted butter. Cups of dark chocolate chips. I just use whatever chocolate chips. I always prefer semi-sweet or a little bitter. Bitter is a dark chocolate, which is fire to me, but I'll use both this time. And then optional, you don't have to put them in there. But I like putting walnuts and stuff in like cookies or brownies or whatever. So I'm gonna do that just because I like them. Just because they're flames back. Fuck it. Alright. So my shirt's filthy. Okay. This isn't even done preheating, but it's fine. Oh my god. Alright. I'm gonna bake this for 40 minutes, and then we'll see what's good. Alright, 40 minutes. So, lesson to myself, I always said butter is better than cooking spray, and it is. This is the cooking spray after it's been in the oven for 40 minutes. The cookie itself looks fine, but it always just looks better if you use butter. And it will look better too. It won't be as stuck to the outside edges or whatever. But I'm gonna cut this up. I'm gonna cut this up and I'll post a picture. I mean, this is still soft, but yeah, lesson learned. Thanks for watching.